Hello friends, and welcome to our story time. Today, we have a very special story called A Valentine Surprise for Pippa. Are you ready? Let's begin. The snow sparkled under the Antarctic sun. It was February 14th, a very special day. It was Valentine's Day. Deep in the snowy land lived a little penguin named Pippa. Pippa had a big heart, and she loved her friends very much. Today, she wanted to do something extra kind for them. She waddled happily to her cozy little ice kitchen inside her igloo. What can I make? She wondered, tapping her flipper on her chin. Pippa looked around her kitchen. On the icy shelf, she saw a bag of flour, a jar of sugar, and a bowl of pretty pink frosting. Aha! I know! She chirped. We'll make cupcakes. Cupcakes are small, yummy cakes, just the right size for one penguin. Pippa gathered all her ingredients. She mixed the flour and sugar with some other secret penguin ingredients. And soon, the smell of freshly baked cakes filled her igloo. Once the cupcakes were cooled, Pippa got out the pink frosting. Frosting is a sweet, creamy topping that makes cakes extra delicious. Whoa! With a little spoon, she carefully spread a swirl of pink frosting on each cupcake. They looked so pretty. One for Finn, she said, placing a cupcake on a plate. One for Ollie, she continued, placing another one. And one for Leo. She finished with a happy little wiggle. But something was missing. Pippa looked at the cupcakes. They needed one more special touch. Shoo found a small jar filled with tiny red candy hearts. Candy is a sweet food made with sugar, and these hearts were perfect for Valentine's Day. Pippa carefully placed one shiny red heart right in the middle of the pink frosting on every single cupcake. Perfect, she whispered. The cupcakes looked absolutely delicious and were made with so much love. She couldn't wait to give them to her friends. Suddenly, just as she was admiring her beautiful treats, Pippa heard a sound. Knock, knock, knock! Someone was at her igloo door. Who could that be? She wondered. She wiped her flippers on her apron and waddled to the door. When she opened it, she gasped with a happy surprise. Standing right there in the snow were her three best friends, Finn the penguin, Ollie the seal, and Leo the polar bear cub. They were all smiling, and they were holding something very big and colorful. Happy Valentine's Day, Pippa! They all shouted together. To shout means to speak very, very loudly, and their voices were full of excitement and joy. They handed her the big, colorful thing they were holding. It was a card. A giant Valentine's Day card, decorated with drawings of fish, snowflakes, and happy penguins. Pippa's eyes grew wide. She carefully opened the card. Inside, in big, friendly letters, it said, "To Pippa, the best friend in the whole world. The world is our big planet, the Earth and everything on it." And to her friends, Pippa was the very best friend on the entire planet. As Pippa read the words, a warm, happy feeling spread all through her chest, making her feel cozy from the inside out. Her heart felt as warm as a sunny day. "Oh, thank you!" she exclaimed, giving each of her friends a big, warm hug. "This is the best surprise! And guess what? Well, I have a surprise for you, too. I have some special treats." A treat is something special and enjoyable, usually a yummy food. Pippa led her friends inside her warm igloo. Their eyes lit up when they saw the plates of beautiful cupcakes waiting for them. "Wow, Pippa! You made these for us?" asked Ollie, his whiskers twitching with excitement. "Pause," said Pippa, her smile as bright as the red candy hearts. They all sat down together on the soft, snowy floor of the igloo. Each friend took a pink cupcake. They nibbled on the sweet cake and licked the creamy frosting. "This is the best cupcake ever," declared Leo with his mouth full. They all laughed and talked, sharing stories and enjoying their delicious treats. The little igloo was filled with friendship, laughter, and the sweet taste of cupcakes. Outside, the snow continued to fall gently, but inside, it was warm and full of happiness. Being with her friends and sharing her kindness was the best Valentina's Day gift of all for Pippa. It was a very, very sweet and happy day in the Antarctic. What a lovely story! Now, let's see what we remember. Pause. I have a few questions for you. First question. What is Pippa making in her kitchen? Do you remember what she baked for her friends? That's right, she is making cupcakes. Next question. What color is the frosting on the cupcakes? Think about the color Pippa used to decorate them. You got it. The frosting is pink. Here's another one. What do Pippa's friends give to her when they visit? It was big and colorful. Yes, they give her a big card that says she's the best friend in the world. And the last question. How does Pippa feel when she gets the card from her friends? Think about that warm feeling she had. Happy. She feels very warm and happy inside. You did an amazing job answering those questions. Pippa. Story teaches us that being kind and sharing with our friends is one of the best things in the world. Thank you so much for listening to our story today. I hope you had as much fun as Pippa and her friends. Remember to be kind to everyone around you. We'll have another wonderful story for you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Bye-bye for now.